DarwinPRO's Lamborghini Urus kit. Complementing the new carbon exterior parts are massive 23-inch wheels. However, no changes are offered for the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Launching the Urus was a masterstroke from Lamborghini. Not only has it quickly become the brand's best-selling model, but it has also helped propel the super SUV segment forward, with many rivals launching their own models. However, even the Italian brand may not have anticipated how popular the Urus would become in the aftermarket scene, and probably didn't expect wild versions like Mansory's dramatic two-door variant. This latest package for the Urus could be easily mistaken as a kit from Mansory, but it's actually been brought to life by DarwinPRO Aerodynamics. Like Mansory, this tuner has made headlines for its insane bodykits, and this package for the Urus is particularly wild. Known as the BKSSII-Lucifer, it makes the stock Performante seem tame by comparison. This particular Urus sports a matte purple wrap and is adorned with a ridiculous amount of carbon fiber. This is DarwinPRO after all. The front fascia is particularly dramatic and features a carbon splitter, new carbon air intake shrouds, and a new grille. Not stopping there, they've also reworked the hood, adding a few strategically placed areas of exposed carbon fiber to keep things interesting. And just when you thought they were done, DarwinPRO hits us with custom fender flares that pair perfectly with aftermarket 23-inch wheels. The carbon parts continue with new skirts and rear fender flares. No stone has been left unturned in transforming the rear of the Urus either, with standouts including a carbon diffuser and a fixed carbon wing. The upgrades are all very over the top, although they might not be to everyone's taste. However, there's no denying that they take an already bold vehicle and make it even more eye-catching, and to some, that's exactly what they want in a Lamborghini. What do you think of DarwinPRO's creation? Would you drive around in a modded Urus like this, or would you rather be behind the wheel of a standard one?